Today I took off the analog gauge and on the Cummins 6BTA 370 and installed the new SMX Digital View analog to digital engine monitoring gauge. Real simple to hook up. It's all plug and play. Simply plug your engine harness into the back of the unit and cut a hole for your new key switch, and you're pretty much ready. So let's see how this works out. Turn the ignition key on. My alarm sound, I think. Yep. Digital View comes on. We'll fire the motor up. Once these engines fired, we got page 1 of the unit. It's giving me my oil pressure, my tach, my water temperature. Page 2, I got voltage, and I'm not quite sure what the pressure reading is for this yet. Page 3 will be gear pressure and gear temperature. I'll be hooking those senders up the first of the week, so I'll report back to you guys, see how that all works out on my ZF63A. Neat little unit. I'm going to give it a try tomorrow. See how she works in the sunlight. It's pretty bright right now. I've got my SMX gauge hooked up, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll go ahead and increase the RPMs. Panel, it's only 3.5 inches square. Pretty good, nice. I'll report back and let you guys know what I think.